More money seldom solves someone's money problems. In the real world, the smartest people are people who make mistakes and learn. In school, the smartest people don't make mistakes. The most life-destroying word of all is the word tomorrow. Successful people ask questions. They seek new teachers. They're always learning. It's not what you say out of your mouth that determines your life, it's what you whisper to yourself that has the most power. An asset puts money in my pocket. A liability takes money out of my pocket. The trouble with school is they give you the answer, and they give you the exam. That's not life. It's more important to grow your income than cut your expenses. It's more important to grow your spirit than cut your dreams. The size of your success is measured by the strength of your desire, the size of your dream, and how you handle disappointment along the way. A person can be highly educated, professionally successful, and financially illiterate. Hoping drains your energy. Action creates energy. It's easier to stand on the sidelines, criticize, and say why you shouldn't do something. The sidelines are crowded. Get in the game. Successful people don't fear failure, but understand that it's necessary to learn and grow from. Afraid of change, then fail. By not understanding money, the vast majority of people allow its awesome power to control them. An intelligent person hires people who are more intelligent than he is. If you're still doing what mommy and daddy said for you to do, go to school, get a job, and save money, you're losing. Complaining about your current position in life is worthless. Have a spine and do something about it instead. Winners are not afraid of losing, but losers are. Failure is part of the process of success. People who avoid failure also avoid success. If you want to be rich, you need to develop your vision. You must be standing on the edge of time, gazing into the future,